Hi, if you've stopped on this page, then you're smart because there's some excellent examples here of asymmetrical and symmetrical balance and also unbalanced. Now for exercise 1, it's a scavenger hunt, and you'll be going out and you'll be looking for things that are balanced by texture, shape, value, and color. Now there again, these can be photos off the internet, from a magazine that you scan in, or from a book. But for exercise 2, you're going to need to create your own photos. And we want you to create photos that show symmetrical, asymmetrical, and out of balance. Now, don't forget, again, these have to be your own photographs. So be creative. Go out and find some interesting symmetrical and asymmetrical and out of balance images. The other thing is that you can earn 25 extra credit points this week by doing one that is done in complementary colors. Make sure that you understand what complementary colors are. They are colors directly across each other on the color wheel. You can check out week 6 if you don't quite understand that. And for exercise 3, you will begin by making thumbnail sketches. Remember, they are quick, small sketches of what your plans are, of what you want to make your design, create your design. How do you want to lay it out? Placement of things. Now keep in mind, you need to add value to those, at least 3 values, because I'm looking for 5 to 7 values. We're also looking for overlapping, running things off the edges and creating small, medium, and large negative shapes. Those need to, you need to create those things in your thumbnail sketches. If you do that, it's like you're solving problems in a miniature way, because a thumbnail sketch is only 1 inch by 2 inches, and they're not really detailed drawings. They're very quick drawings. Then you will create 2 images, one that will be symmetrical in balance and one that will be asymmetrical. Now, as we look at the symmetrical balance one, we see overlapping, which is quite interesting. We see that the cat is touching the edge of the format. The format is the shape of whatever your design is, whatever your support is. The support is what you do it on, like your paper, your vellum paper. Again, we see overlapping them, not only overlapping of the heart, but of their tails. And that makes it very interesting, and they've created these fantastic negative shapes within the tails, and they've also created negative shapes by running things off the edges and blowing things up, making them large. So let's go down here, and there's a couple of other examples I'd like to show you. Here's a very simple subject matter, a pumpkin. But look how creative they were to take the same subject matter and turn it into 2 different visual weights, one symmetrical and one asymmetrical. Again, we have this cropping off or bleeding off the edges of the format, trapping these interesting negative shapes. There's overlapping of the vine here. Again, we have asymmetrical and really interesting shapes here. By running something off the edges, it gives your viewers something to fill in. There again, overlapping going on here and running things off the edges. If you have any questions on how to create symmetrical or asymmetrical balanced compositions, please let me know. Keep in mind that we're looking for negative and positive shapes. We want to see overlapping. Also, we would like to see that you understand each one of these types of balance. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.